Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. I hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make my homemade red velvet brownie cupcakes and also homemade icing. So before we start baking, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. First, we will be adding our melted butter and then adding the sugar to it. Now I add 1 egg. So now I'm adding the vanilla extract, then the red food coloring, and last, the cocoa powder, in that order. Now I'm adding the lemon juice, and then I'll be gradually adding in the flour. Now I'm adding in the white chocolate chips. Now we're going to bake them on 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. For the icing, all we need is cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, and powdered sugar. You guys, so this is our final product. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. and try this recipe out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also click that notification bell so that you'll miss a video whenever I upload. You guys have a wonderful and blessed day.